Yer, what's up, everybody? It's your boy King Smitty, and I'm here with another video. Today, I'm gonna be talking about the Santa Claus rally. See my Santa Claus hat on, you feel me? And two stocks that I'm gonna be loading up in for 2022. But before we get started, of course, go ahead and like and subscribe. Hit the button down there or whatever it is. Go ahead and hit that. Subscribe to your boy. We're trying to hit 100 subscribers. We're trying to get this money all year. You feel me? We're working our way to financial freedom. But let's get on with the Santa Claus rally. So you feel me? The Santa Claus rally describes a sustained increase in the stock market that occurs the last 5 trading days of the year and the first 2 trading days of the new year. And there are numerous explanations, why it may occur. Some say it's due to tax. People are worrying about the taxes for the next year, so they're doing a lot of selling and buying. Some say it's general feeling of optimism of the season, and some are saying that they're investing their company's bonus, the bonus they get from their company for the Christmas bonus. They're using that to invest into the market, which is pushing the markets up. And another theory is that a lot of those brokers on Wall Street, the investors on Wall Street, they're going on vacation. It's Christmas time, New Year's time, so they're not even worried about it. And while they're on vacation, small investors, us retail investors, we're racking it up. You feel me? Because we're more bullish than the professionals. We're like buy, buy, buy. We gotta run it up, run it up. They're more short and in for the long haul type thing. So those are some speculations of why the Santa Claus rally happens. More than 2/3 in the December's, which is like 34 of the last 45 holiday seasons, dating back to 1960, have resulted in more positive gains for shareholders. And the Santa Claus rally has roughly a 1.4% return, I believe they said. On Monday by itself, it was a green day, as you all know, and the market was up 1.21%. On this week so far, because it's been a little flatline, it might be red, but it might not be red the whole day. You feel me? Like today, it was all green until maybe the last 30 minutes, and then it kind of dipped into red. But on the week, we're up 0.95%. That's the S&P 500 I'm talking about, not my portfolio. My portfolio is up a lot this week, comparatively to the last month. But the two stocks I'm gonna buy and load up on for 2022 and in 2022, not before, but in 2022 and for 2022, 23, maybe 25. I might hold these long term. They kind of growth stocks a little bit, but I like their company, what they got going on, and where they're headed to. You feel me? So first company, Virgin Galactic, ticker symbol SPCE. Virgin Galactic. I love that company. On the day, it's up 5.98%. On the month, it's down 7%. It's hit all-time lows recently, and I've been loading up. I've been lowering my price, adding more shares to it because I like this company. And like I said, this is a growth stock, so when the markets are down, they're gonna get hit a lot harder than the normal stocks are gonna get hit. You feel me? So it went up today. Like I said, the market was green most of the day except for the end. But I believe it went up so much is because of a sympathy play. Its sister company, Virgin Orbit, went public today, and Virgin Orbit, instead of shooting people up to space, is shooting satellites up, right? And they went public today. And for a sympathy play, that occurs when a stock of a company is affected by the news of a different company. So let's say when Tesla has really good news, you might see other plays like Li Auto, NIO, Rivian, other electric vehicle plays green as well, because that news was so good. They're just kind of piggybacking off of their news. And that's kind of what happened today with Virgin Galactic, because they had no real news come out, but yet it was up a lot. 5.98%. That's almost 6%. So I believe that was good. Virgin Galactic is still set to do their commercial or private flights in quarter four 2022. So this stock might linger around, kind of go up slowly until then. Because once that happens, that's when they're going to be shooting people up in space. Those tickets that they originally were selling for $100,000, they'll probably be first. And then those tickets that's worth like $450,000, then they're coming through. Here comes the revenue. It's coming in and it's coming in. And we'll already be in there pre-revenue. So now this stock will shoot up with us in there. Hey, going to the moon. But I like that. It's still on track. Nothing has deterred. Nothing has changed with the company. So I'm still rocking with them, and I'm loading up. While there's low right now, I'm loading up. Because if you look at this stock chart, I'm not going to pull it up this time. Maybe next video I'll pull up a chart for them. But if you look at their chart, you're going to see two big peaks. And those peaks are in the 60s. Both of those are when they went up to space. One time was the initial test flight. Second time was when Richard Branson went up. You feel me? And then if they start going up consistently, that chart, it might shoot past 60. It could go to 100 easily. But when they go to 60, depends on where my average price is at that time. I'm probably going to sell my initial investment and just run with the house money. Just let the house money go. And if it goes higher and higher, I might put a trailing stop loss on it at that point. But if it goes around 40 and it starts getting a little weak, I might put a trailing stop loss. I doubt it. Cause like I said, I'm in this for the long haul. I'm not really trying to swing trade this one. But my next stock I want to talk about is ChargePoint. Ticker symbol CHPT. Say it with me, everybody. CHPT. Right. ChargePoint. So today it was up 8.93%. That's almost 9%. But on the month, it's down 17%. Sheesh. Like I said, another growth stock. So when these get hit, when the market gets hit hard, these get hit even harder. But when the market is green, these are benefiting even more most of the time. You feel me? So when it's red in the market, they're going to drop hard. When it's green in the market, they might fly. You never know how high, really. But this is one of my infrastructure plays. You go back a few videos, I had, like 5 or 6 infrastructure plays that I was considering. And I went through, I did some research. And of course, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all what I'm doing. And this is all for entertainment for you. But I went through that video and I picked which ones I really want to see grow and which ones I can see myself holding for the long run. And ChargePoint was it. Maybe because I want to get me a Tesla in the future and I know I'm going to need a charging station around. And this is the biggest charging station play out. So maybe that's why I got the ChargePoint. But tomato, I'm in it. I actually bought a few shares recently when it was at, I don't think it was its all-time lows, but it was kind of down. And I bought some shares. I'm just going to keep loading the boat on ChargePoint for the next year or two and let this run maybe to 2025, maybe. Just keep loading up. And ChargePoint's quarterly revenue year over year has increased 79%. So this time last year compared to this year, we're up 79%. That's amazing. It's in a growing industry. As you know, you got Tesla coming about, NIO, like I said earlier, Rivian, Li Auto, you got Ford with electric cars. You got so many electric vehicles coming out, they're going to need charging stations. And this is the biggest charging play out there. I think they have over 165 stations or something like that. 165,000 stations. I apologize. It's leading the EV charger network, so it's the leader of its sector. When you're getting in a play, you really want to get in the leader of the sector. You feel me? If you're gonna bet on something, bet on the leader. Bet on that strongest play. When I was going into electric vehicles, I went in Tesla. The Tesla was leading the bunch. When I wanted to go into like electronics or something like that, software, I went to Apple. Apple's kind of leading the bunch almost. I got some Google plays too. Don't get me wrong, but you always want to go with the number one top dog. You might get some stocks in the number two, number three, but I'm not gonna go invest a boatload of money in the worst stock in the sector. Why would I do that? Unless I got some inside information, which I don't, as you can see. But you always want to go with the leader, not the laggard. You feel me? But those are my plays. You know, that's what the Santa Claus rally is. The last 5 days is the trading year. The first 2 of the next year. It's more than likely up, statistically speaking. And my 2 plays I'm holding, we're loading for the long haul is Virgin Galactic. That's SPCE for the ticker symbol. And ticker symbol CHPT. Charge point. So go ahead and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what plays are you going to be loading up in and loading up on in 2022. And if you are loading up on it, is it just going to be like a swing trade or is it going to be for the long run? Just let me know that. Now if you sit here, thank you for rocking with me. Hope you had a happy holidays. New Year's is coming up. I'm going to drop another video on my yearly recap. So thank y'all for rocking with me.